Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use LTX Studio for mobile. In order to do so, here we are at ltx.studio. And if you look at their main site, you look around for any information regarding a mobile app, you're not going to find it. Let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI to see what Cider has to say. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of AI at any given time. And according to Cider, LTX Studio is primarily designed for desktop use. As of now, there's no official mobile app version of LTX Studio. So that's basically the answer to that. If you want to use LTX Studio on your mobile device, you can do it through a browser, but there is no designated mobile app at this time. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.